In front of me I've got AOC monitor. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable bright frame function. In the beginning, let's go to menu of the monitor and find picture boost. Enter bright frame and switch it between on or off. When the bright frame function is enabled, you can adjust bright frame size, brightness, contrast, position, horizontal and vertical. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.